Hi there guys and gals, good morning to each everyone of you. Welcome to my day 3 here in San Roque, Legazpi City. I'm walking right there and then I'm gonna turn right. Instead of taking a tricycle, I'll just take a walk for a while and then afterwards for a few minutes when I get there at the what's this? I'm lost. At the corner of the street, which is Calle Siping. Right now I am walking at the Calle Siping street. I'll be going to my contact to get the dried fishes that my clients had an order. See? So thank you, Lord, for all the wonderful blessings that you gave, for all the trials and challenges that I surpassed. Shout out to each every one of you, to all my silent subscribers out there, to all my Facebook viewers who will never get tired of my masterpieces. By the way, guys and girls, this is Tibo. Hold on. There we go. So bye for now.